In this video, I'll show you how to use Chatgpt for business automation. First, sign into your Chatgpt account and start a new chat. Next, identify a business task that you perform repeatedly. This could be responding to customer inquiries, creating emails, generating reports, writing social media posts, summarizing meetings, or organizing data. After that, explain the task to Chatgpt and provide clear instructions. The more details you give, the more useful and consistent the results will be. Now, test the workflow by providing sample information and reviewing the responses generated by Chatgpt. Next, refine your prompt until Chatgpt produces the exact output format you need. After that, save the prompt so you can reuse it whenever the task needs to be completed. Now, if you want to automate the process further, you can connect Chatgpt to automation platforms such as Zapier or other workflow tools that allow information to move automatically between your business apps. Next, test the automation to make sure data is being processed correctly and the results meet your expectations. After that, continue improving the workflow by updating prompts and adjusting the automation as your business grows. Finally, monitor the results regularly and make changes whenever needed to keep the automation accurate and effective. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Chatgpt for business automation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.